Come test drive this 2021 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, heated seats, power moonroof, lane departure warning, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.